Do you believe in ghosts? How about your family or friends? Do they believe that there's ghosts? Is there any message you would like to give ghost out there? Have you ever felt one or
No.
do you want to see one? Do you believe in ghosts?
No.
How about you?
No.
Okay, why?
I don't believe in ghosts po because I don't really experience things related with it.
Okay, and how about you, Beth?
I've never seen ghosts in my life, guys.
Do you want to see ghosts?
No, I don't want to see ghosts.
How about you, Beth?
No, I'm scared.
Oh, you don't believe in ghosts, but why are you scared?
mm, sabi-sabi lang.
Because of what the people are saying about it. Okay, how about you, Beth?
I don't want to see ghosts po because I'm also scared because I see ghosts on TV. I'm really scared about ghosts. Yes, I'm scared about ghosts.
Okay. Okay, from the TV only.
Yes.
Movies like that, right?
Yes.
I see. How about your family or friends? Are they scared of ghosts?
No, they're not scared of ghosts.
Oh, and how about your family and friends?
I don't know.
You don't know. Why did you say that they're not scared of ghosts?
Because they believe in God. That's why they're not scared of ghosts.
They believe in God. Okay, what makes it different? Like how?
How? I don't know.
I don't know. They just believe in God. That's why they don't believe in ghosts, right?
Yes.
Okay. Okay. Um, do you have any message? Let's say there is ghost, for example. Okay. Do you have any message for them?
If you are attacking me, please attack Menchin.
Attack Menchi, her. Okay, how about you? If there's a ghost, what is your message for them?
um
If there's a ghost, I think just attack both of them. Are you both single or do you have boyfriends?
I'm single.
And you, Be?
Kaka-break lang.
You just broke up with your boyfriend. How long have you been single?
8 months.
8 months. Do you believe in ghosts?
No,
Why?
because I've never seen one.
You've never seen one. But if you see one, you will believe, right?
Yes.
Okay. Um, how about your family or friends? Do they believe in ghosts?
I don't know.
You don't know. Okay. But do you believe in God?
Yes.
Okay. So I mean, have you seen God?
No, but I feel him.
Oh, because you feel him. So you believe in God because you feel him. Okay. But how about what do you call it? How about ghosts? Have you ever felt one or
No.
do you want to see one? Why? Why you don't want to see one?
Because it's really scary to see them.
But you don't believe in ghosts, so why would you scared? You just don't want to see one, right? Do you believe in ghosts?
No.
No. How about you, Beth?
No din po.
Why? That's kind of, it's interesting because mostly Filipinas from the province, they're the one who believes in ghosts. So, it's interesting to find out that both of you are not or both of you doesn't believe in ghosts. Why?
Well, ano po kasi, I'm a very logical thinker. Not unless there's scientific background backing some concept or theory, I wouldn't really believe it. And I've dwelled in that fact or concept then before, and there were explanations why some people say na they've experienced paranormal activities, and therefore, from my experience din naman kasi, since Philippines is a very Christian country, I mostly think na ano po, na it's a state of mind rather than an actual thing na happening around our environment.
And how about you?
I agree po. Since never ko din po na-experience yung ganun. Like, na-feel na may ghost or yun po.
Okay, so since you never experienced or you never felt like there's a ghost, so you don't believe that there's ghost, right?
Yes po.
Okay. How about your family or friends? Do they believe that there's ghosts?
Well, sa fam ko po, especially my mom and my dad, they also agreed with me na ghosts don't exist. Pero po, my mom introduced this concept to me wherein she said po na why are there cases of sanib? And
What is sanib in English? Like,
possession po. Okay. Ang explanation niya doon, which could be possible po, is sila po yung mga entities na doesn't have a physical body. So they try to take the body of their host. Pero yung sabi naman ng Sir ko and Philo, which is Sir Lau, Sir Loretta, hi po. Ang sabi niya naman po sa akin,
English ba?
he also, in his side naman po, he mentioned na yun nga po, same as me, it's a state of mind rather than an actual physical thing na is happening to your body. He explained na, an example po, to put it in analogy, he had a student po before na was pregnant, na grade 12 pa lang siya, and she couldn't take it anymore, and she's gone really mad, and then she started eating zone rocks and claimed na she was possessed. Pero actually, it was just that he couldn't handle the truth. So, he tried to take something out of nothing and created her own possibility or her own type of world wherein yung side niya is possible po.
That's from your teacher, right?
Yes po.
Okay. Even your mom doesn't believe, right?
Yes.
Okay. Um, let's say there is really, ghost. Do you have like any message for them?
Well, if there were ghosts, I'd be... Well, there was this famous quote, di ba dati na, fear the living because they could do more than the actual dead. And if ghosts do exist, I just hope na it's kind of a situation where heaven had visiting hours and I could talk to my grandparents or my loved ones kasi I would really love that kasi I'd tell them all of the things that they missed when they were living and I just give everything na I couldn't when they were still alive. So the concept of ghost is comforting in some way for me po.
So you could talk to your what do you call this sister family members, right?
Yes.
And how about you, Be? Do you have like any message for for ghosts if there's one existing or
Hello po!
she said hello. Okay. How about do you have any message to let's say um the province girls who believes or who's scared of ghosts?
Well, the only thing that should scare you in this life is that it's definite. You will die someday. So, yun lang talaga. Fear of what's you actually see, not from It's usually just a state of mind po. Like, ano nga yung quote na yun by Wait. You think, therefore you are.
Do you believe in ghosts?
Yes.
Yes. Have you ever had a ghost experience? Yes or no?
No.
No. So why do you believe that there's a ghost?
I believe in ghosts just like God. I believe in God, but I never seen him in person. But I feel it just like ghost. I never seen ghost in my entire life, but I feel it.
Do you want to see a ghost?
No.
Why? What will happen? What do you think will happen if you see one? If you will see one?
Literally, I'm gonna be scared.
Do you think you will pass out?
Yeah.
I know, right? Even me, I'm so scared of ghosts. How about your family or friends? Do they believe in ghosts?
Mm, I don't know.
You don't know. Okay. But you believe that
Yes.
there's a ghost, but you've never seen one. Okay. If let's say there's one right now or is there any message you would like to give ghost out there?
Message. If ever, just don't show up right now.
I think they're not gonna show up right now because it's still there it's not evening yet.
Yeah, it's a daylight pa.
Yes, daylight. Okay. Do you have any message to, let's say, to Filipinas out there that are scared of ghosts?
Wait. Maybe for me, my message for them is just let them be and don't be scared even though I'm scared.
Don't be scared.
Kasi okay na
Because
okay na yung Tagalog ganun.
because
Kasi
wala naman sila ng magagawa or di ka naman na nila masasaktan.
Because the ghost, they're not going to hurt you. They can't do anything. So don't be scared.
Unlike human.
Unlike human living.
Yeah, they can hurt you.
Okay, so be scared with a human living than the ghost. I see. That's a nice what do you call these message. What course are you taking? Are you a student?
Yes, a college student.
Okay, what course are you taking?
Bachelor of Early Childhood Education.
And what year are you now?
Second year college.
Second year, 2 more years, right? Wow, beautiful. Are you single or in a relationship? Like, do you have a boyfriend?
Single.
How long have you been single?
1 year.
Oh, a year ago. I mean, a year now. Wow. Are you like looking for a serious relationship right now?
Serious relationship. Maybe.
Maybe, not sure. Okay, have you ever thought of dating a foreigner?
No.
So just Filipino.
Yeah.
Oh.
But I'm not limiting myself.
You're not closing your door, right? That's nice. Okay, anyway, thank you so much for having this interview with us. Salamat.
Salamat.
Beautiful reflection